There is a bird that turns a lake pink just by standing in it. But this color isn't really theirs. Flamingos aren't born pink. In fact, they aren't born with any color at all. A newborn flamingo is gray, sometimes almost white, nothing like the color we picture. So where does the pink come from? The answer isn't in their genes, it's in what they eat. Flamingos are filter feeders. They dip their heads upside down into the water and sift through the mud for something very small and very specific. Algae, tiny crustaceans, brine shrimp, organisms most of us will never see, but flamingos eat them by the millions. These tiny organisms contain a pigment called a carotenoid, the same family of pigment that makes carrots orange and autumn leaves red. The flamingo eats the shrimp has eaten the algae, and the pigment, passed up the chain, settles into the bird's feathers, skin, even its egg yolk. The color isn't decoration, it's a record, a living trace of everything the bird has consumed to survive. Which raises a strange problem. Flamingos in zoos and aquariums don't have access to wild algae blooms or brine shrimp beds. Without the right diet, they fade. Some turn pale pink, some turn almost white. So caretakers add the pigment back in, mixed directly into their food. Synthetic carotenoids, engineered to recreate what the wild would have provided for free. In other words, the color you find so striking in a zoo is manufactured. But the color in the wild is earned. There's something quietly humbling in this. An animal so famous for its color doesn't actually own it. The flamingo is, in a very real sense, wearing its environment. Every shade of pink is a small, visible history of algae, shrimp, sunlight, and water chemistry, worn on the outside for anyone to see. Maybe that's true of more than just flamingos. We are, in our own ways, shaped by what we consume, where we stand, what we're fed. The flamingo just happens to wear it in color.
A bird that turns a lake pink simply by standing in it. Not because it was born that way, but because of everything it took, quietly.